Gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki augite wendi wa nthuki njana kire kumenyekana ta Gen Z ni bukinyanirite nyume rais gutigana Bruna Finance Bill 2024 akiaria. Njuki augite gutina maana kairija maandamano nuntu kira thirikari irendeka kuthithia nirikitia kuingia. Ni araugite kinya kethera Kenya bari na nkanja kiri rais gutejaniria untu bubu ni uma ni bukinyite muthia akiuria Kenya kuri gukiriria nande tora Samuel Geshima agutwira.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki noe akuri mugeni gwa gitijo kia thoni wikirwa nthumbi kia arito 425 barabara ikirie mathomo mawarimo college ya Kancha Presbyterian ya Rubati gatigati ka mwanka wa 2020 na mwanka wa 2023. Wakagita kambere Njuki ariria mantu makonie maandamano maramathiite mbere Kenya ngima makuregana na kwinyirika kuramu Kenya agukurukira akiuga maandamano mamainde imathirite nyuma ya Rais William Ruto kurega gwikira kirore bill ya kigina.
Some people are saying that it is a gimmick to delay, but I've been a member of parliament. I know. I also read the law. Article 115(1)(b) is very clear on what happens when the president returns the bill before signing into law and asks for a review in totality. It means that all of that bill is rejected, not some clauses that requires amendment. He rejected the bill in totality. What that means, therefore, is that National Assembly cannot introduce that bill again or do any amendment to take it back to the president. It is gone, it is dead, it is buried.
Njuki ariuga amwe nogu maandamano mamainde imathungiritwe na nyangia baraba kwenda gukia ntiga Kenya.
Allow me to thank Generation Z and say they have backed down. They are no longer protesting because they have seen the results. Lakini, we have people we call opportunists. Because when you go to a town and attack a supermarket that has employed 150 or 200 young people, what are you telling us? What does the supermarket have to do with the signing of the bill? Does the supermarket sit in parliament? And I'm saying those people who are doing that, shame on you.
Nkurukina meneretie bara akuga ibaretaga winyangia bo muthemba wa tauju kirimandamano maramarutha wa muchi wa chuka.
I have heard the last few days from the intelligence, Madam Wanyama, you know this, of local politics that is playing around. They come and tell you, oh, there are people targeting to burn the office of the governor. The governor does not sit in parliament. And even if you sit in parliament, the building does not sit in parliament. It is built using taxpayers' money. There are those who want to burn the county assembly of Tharaka Nithi. Why do you want to burn the county assembly of Tharaka Nithi? Does it sit in parliament? Did they pass any law? The others who have said they want to burn the office of the CDF. What does the office of CDF have to do with the passing of the bill, which has now been rejected? The others who have started fueling crisis around here, some of them say this one should go, that one should go.
Augite ati ainyangia babano mwanka bakajukirwe aitagaria.
We are watching you as both the county and the national government, and we shall deal with you. Anyone who has anything that is going to destabilize our county, if it is politics, forget about it. We are very old politicians. Nothing moves us.
College no ya Rubati irambereni ya thomithagia arimu gaki endene ambirite ukira nyuma ya kuwatanira na University ya Pwea kuthomithia mathomo mangi mwanya mwanya nyuma ya kwaga aritwa kwa mianka.
Currently, the college is growing in population and the programs. We have 103 education students, 98 nursing students, and 20 certificate, diploma, and degrees. Those who are pursuing Presbyterian University of East Africa theology programs.
The renewal of Memorandum of Understanding with the Pwea means that we can admit students in all the programs that are taught at Presbyterian University of East Africa. This means our graduates have an opportunity to continue with the degree programs here at the college.
Nkiripotera Weru Njuma kuma gĩcigo bunge Chukaigamba Ng'ombe Mbita wa Samuel Gaishma.